Hello my friends, welcome back to today's video. It's Odette here. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today I'm going to share with you my very first PR package. This is from darellacosmetics. I've already opened the package and you would have already seen this on Instagram, okay? The packaging for everything is so beautiful though. Oh my god, I love the pinky and the yellows and the light greens. It's just so gorgeous though, right? It reminds me so much of springtime. It is just the most beautiful packaging ever. Packaging is a big deal for me and I love the packaging. So let me show you the contents of this PR package. You do have two set of lashes in here. One of them is called Lola, the other one is called Drama Queen. You have a big tube of eyelash glue in here, a small tube of eyelash glue, and you also have a liquid eyeliner as well, which is in black. This is called Lola. This is so beautiful. Look at the packaging up close, guys. It is just so pretty, so thick, so full, so gorgeous. I can't wait to wear these lashes. It is just really gorgeous. Just look at the packaging, guys. It's really sweet. This one is called Drama Queen. I'm actually wearing Drama Queen on my eyes. I'm going to show you guys a close-up picture in the end. Drama Queen is really pretty. Again, take a look at the packaging. It is just the most incredible thing. Absolutely love it. And then you do have a small tube of eyelash glue. This is for your individual lashes. If you do like to wear those individual lashes, this is for you as well. Very, very nice packaging with the gold cover. I do like that. And of course you do have a bigger tube of the eyelash glue as well, which is going to last you a lifetime. And then of course it came along with a black liquid eyeliner. Look at the packaging again, guys. It's really, really, really nice. Very, very pretty packaging. I absolutely love everything about this. Really, really, really sweet. Thank you so much, Lillian, and thank you so much, darellacosmetics, for sending this to me. I do appreciate it. I do love everything. Let me just take out the black eyeliner here. Ooh. Very, very easy to wear. Just a quick little swipe and then your eyelashes goes on. Very, very nice. Again, the packaging for these are quite pretty. So I'm going to leave all the details in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to get in on one of these beautiful beauty items from darellacosmetics. Again, they are really pretty and I'm going to be featuring these in my magazine as well. Let me know your thoughts on today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette and of course I shall see you guys next time. Bye.